Hi everyone, welcome to Fashion Friday. So in today's video we're opening up 2 fashion subscription services, or also called like styling subscription services. So a stylist picks out clothes based on your profile, wants, and needs. And then we have a panty subscription. I was going to do an Amazon haul in this video as well, but I guess I agreed to do a dedicated video or a vlog for that in return for more items, which benefits both of us. You guys can see more of what they offer and I can get more clothes because I need some. Oh, Emmy's really cute. I just realized it might be distracting for some if you could see me this way too. I have a headache, but I don't want to complain. So how about we start off with what I tried on first day, which is Fashom. So I already kind of said it's a styling service. They have a card in here that tells you all about it, but this is the box. Put back. So it comes with a bag to return anything you don't want to receive, and in an envelope that says, "Hey beautiful," and "What's next?" So try it before you buy and purchase your favorites. So you do pay a styling fee. I believe it's $15, and they do have a referral program, by the way. All of these boxes do, or all of these subscriptions do. And with Fashom, you do get to customize it a little bit. I mean, you get to fill out a profile with all of these services and let them know your preferences. But this one, my stylist sent me like 6 items to choose 5 from, so you get 5 total. And I feel like, I mean, it's not that big. I feel like I've gotten more choices in the past. Maybe I'm remembering incorrectly, but it is nice to see what you're getting. And then you can let them know maybe if you don't want it. That would be nice. I don't know if that was an option though. And they give you 3 days to return or to check out. And I wish it was like longer. Like with Stitch Fix, you can just go online and extend it like up to a month. I do that all the time because, I mean, for most people, you can probably like try stuff on, check out within 3 days, but I want to film it, and I usually have at least 15 boxes when I get a new one. So, you know, I can't like prioritize it, especially when I'm like paying for it. That sounds bad, but you know, like, yeah. So yeah, so all of these what have in Panty I do pay for myself. So not quite a fit, enjoy free returns or exchanges, and then save big while you save rescue dogs. So this is unique to Fashom, and so yeah, so you have 3 days to decide which items to keep or return. Remember, if you buy 3 or 4 items, you'll receive 25% off. And then even better, if you purchase all 5 items, you'll receive 30% off. So that's different with Stitch Fix. It's only if you purchase all 5, you get a discount of 25%. And also they donate $1 to Second Chance Rescue NYC Dogs. And of course I love that. I'm an animal lover. I love any subscription that gives back to any good cause, so that's awesome. And they kind of like market themselves as like an affordable styling service or fashion subscription. But they're actually, the total for this, even with the adjustments, is more than the Stitch Fix for the month. So that's showing that like Stitch Fix can be really adjusted to your liking too. Like some people think it's expensive, but they give you like a pricing guide so you can choose like the least expensive, which is what I chose. And I know I keep talking about Stitch Fix too, but it's just easier to compare them now. And also my head's not really working right now. So there's an invoice that has a note from your stylist, lists all of the items, and it's really nice. They list each of the items for their regular price, the 25% off price, and the 30% off price. So the subtotal for my Fashom would be $264, and then if I kept all 5, I'd save 30%, which would be $79.20, making the total be $184.40. I'm so hot because when I was trying on clothes, I was like dancing and stuff, and the air's off right now. I actually warm here. I say that every video. The first item I tried on, I did like it. I didn't love it, and it was too big a little bit, like on the top, which is unusual. Like there's no clasp or anything. It's a romper, and it's one you just like step into. And it's really comfortable, and I like the colors of it. It's kind of like 80s. I think I was listening to my favorite song, like Save Those Tears, which gives me the 80s vibes kind of. And I have this side thing going on. So yeah, I was digging it, but you'll see it's just a little too big, not super flattering. And did I put that down? I'll just put the pricing on the screen. So, yeah. And then I got some shorts. I didn't think these were very flattering. I don't want to keep these. I do want high-waisted shorts. I think I said that, but I didn't really get any high-waisted items. Like, this is kind of, I guess. I feel like, I mean, no judgment to moms, but I'm just not one, and I'm not like going to soccer. I just feel like some of these, it just isn't my style, I guess. This top here, this I thought I liked, but I don't love it enough to get it, I don't think. And also it's long sleeve, so I wouldn't get much use out of it. Like the high is gonna be in the high 80s this week here in Florida. It's like getting really warm again. Well, not like it was ever cold, but I do like the general like vibe of this shirt. But yeah, I don't like it enough to pay for it. Like keep it. It did look better with the next item. Like it didn't look good with those shorts. I just don't think those shorts look good on me. These white jeans, and these are okay, but they're just not flattering. They're supposed to be this fit. I think they're actually called mom jeans, so they're like looser in the thigh, like they're comfortable, and the size is right. So I realized I'm wearing jeans right now from Stitch Fix, and they're both the same size. I would just guess what size I am now, and 29, and it fits well. So, but I don't like my butt not flattering. Like my butt looks worse with them on than without them on. So I'm like, I don't like that. It always looks better without anything on it. I don't know. So yeah, I don't want this. And the last item I think I like, but I don't know if I like it enough to pay for it. I think it's like $40-something, and you can't really wear this one without a bra. Lately I've been getting headaches, and like it's hard to wear one. I don't know. Something about like, do you guys experience it? Like if you have a headache, like everything hurts a little bit more, especially on your head. Yeah, I need to turn these lights off soon. I might dim them in a second. Sorry. But I do like the color of this a lot. And there's like a tie knot in the front. But yeah, I mean, it wasn't really my favorite at all. Like I didn't love anything. I liked one thing, like kind of like 1.5. I mean, I don't know. And I'm not like trying to be a hater. I don't like when I don't like things, but I don't think I want to keep anything. Like I think I have like $26 in credit, like, and that shirt was like 48 or something like that. Like it's still not worth it to me, I don't think. But I would love to hear your opinion. I should have said this in the very beginning. Like let me know what you think, what I should keep, because it's really nice hearing other people's opinions and like seeing how other people see you. So please let me know how everything is. So next we're opening Heaven Panty, and don't worry, I didn't try them on, even though I thought about it for a second, but I was like, I don't even know if you can like show up like picture of you in underwear. Like I wouldn't make it like sexual, you know, like it's like a bathing suit. I don't get it, but yeah, I didn't do that. I think they have the cutest freaking packaging. And yeah, so I like this a lot. If you like panties and are like very particular about what you like and what like colors, fabrics and stuff, this is the one for you. You get to customize it in many ways. So you get to pick like the type of panty, like with Splendies they also open. You just pick between like thongs or briefs, or you can get a surprise variety of both. But with this one you can do that, but you can also pick, like I said, like the colors and fabrics, and let them know like what style, or like sexy, casual, mix, all of that. And you can get 1 or 2 pair as well. And when you order it, or you like take the little quick profile to get the panties I'm talking about, to customize them, sorry, my head hurts. You get to also like put in what your size is at other companies, so that helps determine what their sizing would be, and I think that's great. I believe for 1 panty a month it starts at $9.99 a month, and that's $16.99 for 2 panties, and I'm opening 2 today, and I've loved every one of them. I have one on, like that red lacy one, I love it. It's so cute. The panties come in these resealable bags. They're so cute too. Like you could see the panty through it. So enjoying it. I love these. And their color, everything about their packaging I love. I love having panty. So the first one, let's open this. It says what it is on the back, and you can also scan this QR code to learn more. So the Hipsters Bikini, number 7080, I get a size large, and it is their skin lacy. And this is how it comes, and I think it's awesome how they do this. So they like clip it on, and it makes the panty look come without any wrinkles and stuff. Oh my god, cute! There's a little bow on the back, and it talks more about the company here. Let's look at this quick. So yeah, not 100% satisfied, you can return it for free. And if you change any of your preferences on that quiz I was talking about, you can go online and change it anytime. And they give sizing instructions, even more so than what I told you. I think they sent me, yeah, they did measuring tape the first time, like better, like get sizing. So they really try and get you the perfect fit. And they give you care instructions, and also you can get up to 150% off, which is crazy. So it's really easy. You can just review your panties on their website, or you can like them on Facebook and leave a review, or leave them, or share a photo of your panties on Instagram. So each of those are 50% off for future months. So I love referral programs. I love like loyalty programs like that as well. And these are so cute. So what one's the front, one's the back? I'm guessing the little bow is the back. I don't know. Here's one side. So they're sheer. Look, there's a little bow I was talking about. Hopefully you can see. How there's like even more sheer on this part. Yeah, the bow is the back because the tag's over there. So it says here, it's made out of 84% nylon and 16% spandex, and then the lining is 100% cotton. I really like this. This is so cute. I just feel like their pants are like a little bit more luxurious. What do you guys think? Compared to the other subscriptions I got. And the next one, the G-string slash thong 6011, size large, flamingo. Oh god, I couldn't read for a second. I'm like, what's that word? Flamingo rose red, comfy and seamless. Oh my god, I love this. It's like tie-dye with flamingos and those colors I love. Yes. So the back of this says the same thing. Oh my god, I think this is so cute. I think that this is my favorite, but I like both. How cute. I honestly think I wear thongs more. Well, I wear a mix. I just wear whatever I want. Like, I'm particular more in like the fabric and the fit of it. Like, if that makes sense, and what I'm wearing. This is so cute. Is this nylon too? I love it. Yeah, nylon slash spandex, and the crotch is 100% cotton. So I've been satisfied and super excited every time I open this subscription, so definitely recommend. And then Stitch Fix. I thought it was a great fix, you guys. I think you could probably tell what box I was favoring. Like, sometimes I can't pick favorites, other times I can. So Stitch Fix also sends you a resealable bag to mail any returns. Oh, here's that invoice for them. And so one thing that's different, you get a note from your stylist like the other box, but you also get like styling tips, so they'll show you like outfit ideas and stuff like that. Oh, cute. And then you get the invoice, and if you keep all 5 items, you save 25%, which I think I mentioned. And with Stitch Fix, you pay a $20 styling fee, and that gets applied to anything you purchase. So my stylist pick subtotal is $236, and if I buy all 5, I'd save $59, and that would bring my subtotal to $177. So the first thing I tried on was a dress, and I've gotten dresses from this company before, and I do like it. I just like wish I left the house where like I could see myself like wearing this often. I might keep it still because I like the colors, and I know these like wear well and like they wash well and stuff after repeated use. And this is in my correct sizing now. Like the one that's large is a little bit big, but it is like a faux wrap. You can still tighten it a little bit. This is by Kaylee. Did I say that yet? Yeah, the Kaylee faux wrap knit dress, and it is $54. So you guys have to let me know what you think. Do you like it on me? And then I tried on a top that I'm just like indifferent about. Like it's comfy and stuff, but I feel like if you wear a bra with it or not a bra with it, it's really noticeable kind of. Maybe I just need to get the right bra, but I just don't like bras enough to want to buy any. Bras just make me feel so constricted and headachy. But yeah, this is really comfy, and this is by Market and Spruce Lounge, the Sylvie Lounge something in burgundy. Yeah, it feels so soft. $44. I guess I don't need to tell you all the pricing. I can put on the screen if I forget. Oh, it's the Sylvie Lounge Relaxed Dolben Tee. It's so comfy. I love it. Yeah, it even says in here, comfort you'll covet, Lux loungewear you'll love to live in. Yeah, I guess if it's just at home, which I'm always at home, it doesn't really matter if you can tell I don't wear a bra. Hopefully you can't. And then I tried them on with these jeans I really like. So you guys have to let me know. I know I already said this, let me know about everything, but how do these jeans look? Because I think the sizing's right. It's like not tight in the waist. It's maybe a little loose in the back, but not in the front. But I can't handle restriction around my belly. It makes it hurt. So I think these are great, and jeans oftentimes like fit and then you sit down, you know, it's uncomfortable. So I think I like these. I usually never wear like distressed jeans. Well, I don't really wear jeans in general, but these are really comfy too. Like they look fitted, but you can move around. Like I was able to like dance in them, if you call it what I do, dancing. But yeah, they're really distressed around the knees. I've never worn something like this, but I think I like it. And these are definitely more flattering on my figure, I think, or they definitely are for than the other ones, I think. at least in my opinion. So these are the Judy Blue Anya Estero Slim Straight Jeans in light blue, and they are $60, which I don't think is a bad price for jeans. Because like I'm the type of person that just wear the same ones, and I don't know if any of my other jeans fit me well or if I love them that much. So, and the fact that these are so comfy, like I'm just like swinging my legs around, not like you guys could see. Like, ooh, what was it? Oh, it's from the panties. So I think I keep these, and then my favorite thing is this top I'm wearing right now. So this is by LUQ, or Left Upper Quadrant, like where your heart is that why it's called? I don't know. The Elaine tie front top, and this is $38, which I think is a great price for a top. It is so cute. I love everything about it. So I already ripped the tags off. They're like kind of swinging around when I started to film. I was like, well, I'm gonna keep this. So I like it a lot. I like the fit of it. I like the colors of it. And the last thing, I don't know what I want to do yet. So these are some flats, and they actually, this whole outfit, like I tried these on together, the last 3 items, like go well together, and I do like these, and I don't really have that many shoes, and it'd be nice to have like a go-to flat. Like I just have a couple sandals that I wear. I have a bunch of boots, like just from when I lived in Chicago and stuff I never wear, but like just to have something to slip on that's closed toe. But at the same time, like I don't really need it that often. Do I need them? But they're cute. I like the color of them. I don't wear a size 8.5, by the way, which I already told you in the fact of the day. Oh, I didn't give you guys a fact of the day, did I? I cut some of my hair off last night. I got my gross matted hair off. It took me days. Talk about more in my vlog, because I'm going to be like, why I didn't vlog the past few days. I've just been doing it. So at the very end, this bad thing I just cut out, and now you'll probably see me in braids a lot, because that helps detangle, or like helps prevent that from happening again. And I kind of like it. I'm like, when was the last time I braided my hair? I can only do simple braids, but maybe I'll learn other ones. So that's my fact of the day. It's in the back of my head too, where that mat was, or like the side. You can't really tell, hopefully. And I was like, F it. I won't see it. If other people are bothered by it, I don't care. I can't see it. If it was like in the front here, I'd die. Like, because it was like, it looked like I had bangs like on the side here. You can kind of see. But again, I'll talk more about that in the vlog. I plan to film next after I get this video uploaded, which is already like way late. Why do I even say that? Everything's late. My time is like midnight, let's just say from now on. But anyways, that was everything, you guys. What was I going to tell you though more about the shoes? Report Footwear, the Villy Ballet Flat in Indigo. Size 8.5, $40. So let me know your thoughts. Yeah, I really liked Stitch Fix and haven't Panty this month, but the Fashom just wasn't my favorite at all. I'll leave playlists down below for my fashion subscriptions, Panty subscriptions, if you want to check those out, because not every box from every company, like every subscription is going to be your favorite. That's why it's always important to leave good feedback for your stylist, especially in the very beginning. If it's your very first time getting a box, they're just like starting to learn your style. So I like to say, I recommend definitely giving them reasons why you don't keep something or why you do, and that will help them make your next one better. So it benefits both of you. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for being here, and thank you in advance for your opinions on my outfits that I tried on and all that. I would love to hear what you think I should keep, what I shouldn't keep, anything at all. Happy Friday. Have a wonderful weekend. I love you so much, and I'll see you Sunday for my vlog. Bye, guys.